So we need to simplify the given logarithmic expression. So let us begin. So here what we can do, we can take 2 and raise it to 11 over 13. So that means here we have applied the property that a times log of b, this is the same as log of b raised to the power of a. Plus, we'll take log of 130. So the factors of log of 130 are, so we have 2 times 5 times 13 divided by 77, so that will be 7 times 11, minus log of, so 55 will be 5 times 11 and 91 will be 7 times 13. Now we will combine the first term and the second term using the property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a plus log of b, so that's the same as log of a times b. That will get log of, we have 11 squared times 2 times 5 times 13. So we have multiplied all the numerators, and in the denominator we have 13 squared, so that will be 13 times 13 times 7 times 11, minus log of, so here what we'll do, we will take positive log of 7 times 13 divided by 5 times 11. So here we have used another fact that if we have negative log of a, so this is the same as log of reciprocal of a. Now we can again use the property log a plus log b equals to log of ab to combine these two logarithm to get log of 11 squared. Let's write this as 11 times 11 times 2 times 5 times 13 times 7 times 13 divided by 13 times 13 times 7 times 11 times 5 times 11. So here a couple of factors will get cancelled out. So 11, 11. So there are 2 11s in the denominator. We have a 5, 5, 13, 13, and a 7 that cancels out, leaving us with only 2. So we will get log of 2. So this is the final expression, and it's also the simplified value of our given logarithmic expression.